Hello everyone, my name is Santosh Solanki and my today's daily task topic is the Golden Touches story. The Golden Touches story often associated with the King Midas from Greek mythology as well as known tale with the importance oral. Once upon a time there was a wealthy and powerful king named Midas who loved to gold more than anything else. Despite these riches, he was not content, wished for even more wealth. One day, of mysterious being, often a good like Dionysus or Greek mythology, often to grant Midas a wish. Overwhelmed to greed, Midas wished that everything we touches would turn to golden. The wish was granted. The Midas was ecstatic at first, tested this power, newfound power by turning object, flower, and furniture into gold. He was delighted with the result. However, he was short-lived. When he shut down to it, he discovered that his food and drink to gold as soon as touches them, making it impossible to eat drink. Horror, even the developed daughter was turned to gold when he hugged her. Realizing the realizing the curse of his greed, Midas begged to good to take away his golden touches out of mercy. The gold instructed him to wash in the river Poctolus to rid himself of the curse. Midas followed the instruction and the golden touch was the removed. He learned to value of love, family, and simple pleasure over wealth. The golden touch story, moral of the story is greed can lead to unintended consequences, and true happiness lies in the appreciating what truly matters in the life. This is the moral of story. Thank you.